Hello, everyone. This is Sudhakar Moparthi once again. Happy New Year. Today, I'm going to talk about a new project initiative that I've been thinking quite for some time, and it's called CrowdSourced AI. For this purpose, I registered a domain called crowdsourcedai.com, and the idea is to integrate other AIs and make this AI, crowdsourced AI, to use the intelligence of the crowds, obviously humans. And once the machine learns that knowledge that we as a collective group teach, then it can give back that knowledge much more efficiently and make learning faster and cheaper. So that's the whole idea. So the idea is to do the knowledge transfer much more rapidly. And for this purpose, I want to share some of my ideas, and I welcome anybody who is interested how to teach a machine. Uh, uh, can also contribute and participate in this project. Please get in touch with me. And if you are interested, I would be happy to collaborate with some of you. Anyway, so for this purpose, for this project, I'm going to use ChatGPT. And today, I just want to make this announcement, and I want to talk about how I'm thinking using uh, ChatGPT as the starting point. Uh, so let me share my screen. Okay, so I logged in into Chat ChatGPT from OpenAI. So you can also get an account at openai.com. And once you have an account, you can talk to ChatGPT to create whatever you want the text that needs to be created. So here, earlier I just created a uh, few JSON objects. I'm going to tell you why JSON. So basically, this announcement, I asked it to write an announcement um, of a corporate, write a corporate announcement about creating an AI project. So it wrote this whole paragraph based on my prompt. So that's the beauty of this chat GPT. Uh, then I said, okay, create it as a JSON object. So it just put a JSON object. Now you can copy this code and then dump it into a database anywhere you want, whatever you have to do and manipulate. So then I asked ChatGPT to add a portal web address, and so it just put a sample um, web address. Then I said remove announcement, and so it removed. So I can manipulate this JSON object through my conversation, and I can ask uh, whatever I wanted to put it in my JSON object. Why JSON object? It's a very simple key value pairs, is a set of key value pairs. So now I can manipulate this JSON object and store it in a database, parse it, and do all kinds of manipulations. So we'll be developing this type of objects structure so that the machine understands, and we as humans also will be able to simply talk about it, by simply looking at this. We know that to contact crowdsourced AI, we just need to use this email. This is not yet set up. I just registered this domain, and in the near future, I'm going to develop this portal, and then give access to people. So again, the idea is to communicate using these JSON objects uh, to teach the machine. And once the object is created, so this can be presented as a HTML page, um, or a subset of this object can be uh, used to create other pages, and etc., etc. So what we want to do with this crowdsourced AI project. So one of the things that I'm thinking is to create an AI about authoring a book. So if I want to become a AWS crowd practitioner, or professional architect, or whatnot, I should be able to get that knowledge much more easily and quickly as needed. Sometimes I don't want to get certified, but I just want to have a greater comprehensive understanding of the subject. Okay. Um, so how a machine can help me in that regard? So let's say I want to create a title, um, a new project, a new AI project. So I'll say add project to this JSON object, a new project called authoring AI. Okay, and project as an object, if we consider, um, then we can expand that project further. So this project change project as an object and add title as authoring AI. So I just created it as an expandable object called project, and then it has added another property called title. So now we want, for authoring, creating this AI, we want some contributors who will work on this project. So let's ask, add an array of, add add a list of contributors under project. Sudhakar Mukherjee, John Witherspoon, for now. Let's see what it will do. Okay, so now it just added what I have in my mind into this JSON object. So now let's say, I'm responsible for certain topics, and John is responsible for certain topics to configure or write about whatever that that needs to be done. So let's add some tasks to this add some tasks to this project as add some tasks to this project. Say create a template for authoring a book. Okay, so for today, this is good enough. I'm going to stop here. But I'm going to think about a little bit more on these things. But you get the idea. Today's my objective is to just to talk to you guys about how I'm thinking of teaching a machine and the communication between humans and the machine is through this kind of JSON objects, and we want to use ChatGPT. So those who are interested, please get in touch with me. And once again, thank you very much, and I'll be in touch with each one of you. This is the raw video, and so probably these are a little bit lengthy, um, but I'm going to upload them anyway into YouTube as a source. And then once we edit it, and I will upload it to under CrowdSourced AI channel. So that's the whole idea. So I don't want to be too much stressed out. I want to be perfect here. So it's a developing idea. So let's see how far we can take this. Thank you very much. Talk to you soon.